Hello, this is Omar Al Mukhtar. In this video tutorial, I will talk about how you can start to learn master mainframe for IBM. Yeah, to start, you will go to this site. You will go to this site to register. I will leave all the link in description, in video description, so you need to press here, register for the learning system, or register to the context. For me, I did this. Then you need to fill all this information: your name, first name, last name, email address, country, company, organization. Then what the notice, and choose. You need to choose notice you by email or by phone. Then you click on I acknowledge, then submit. When you submit this, you will get in your email this message. It show you how you can start. They will give you ID and password. Then he will take you to this link. Here you from here you will start. Then he will ask you need to read everything, watch the video, details, the IP address, all this. The preparation will prepare you to start to get to do your lab. It's like lab, virtual lab, and they will ask you to download this program. This program, they will ask you to install it on your computer. Then you would use your ID in the email. This is your ID in the email, and this is the temporary password. Then you will change it. So I will copy. Let's do log on with the ID. Then type the password. Here you will log on, enter, and you will wait. Often for you it will be different little bit, because at the first he will ask you to change to enter the IP to connect. For me, he didn't ask me because I did this step before. So you will go here and do all the step for the download. Then after the download, you log in, change the IP address. After the change, enter the IP address to. He will ask you to log in and change your temporary password. Then this is for preparation. Then you will go to the part 1. In part 1 there is a couple of questions. There is you will go here, read everything, and do the step for part 1. For me, I did the step for part 1 and I done with it. The most important thing, I will show you that. We will go. The most important thing when you do, my advice, when you do your this is the primary screen. The most important thing when you do your lab for the part 2, the most important thing, this code TSO score rep. you should implement this code for every lab you did, because as I will show you, it's for part 2. It's many challenge from 15 challenge, so you need to do it and check you do it right for every challenge, because if you did challenge 1 wrong, then you and you don't know it's wrong, you pass to the 2, 3, 4, 5. If you do everything right but challenge 1 is wrong, then you need to repeat it. After you repeat the challenge 1, everything you did after that will reset, and you need to return to do challenge 2, 3, 4. Therefore you need to implement this code TSO correct. After you implement this code, you will see the result. I will show you how you can see your result. 3, then 4. You type 3.4, then enter, and then this is my ID. This is the status. I click on status on browse. Here you see I did challenge 1 correct till the challenge 13. So if you didn't do this and you don't know, you will not know your challenge is correct or not, or incorrect. So if you have challenge 1 wrong, incorrect, then you do it everything correct. When you repeat challenge 1, everything will go incorrect, and you need to repeat all the step. This is the most important thing. Then now we return back for the challenge. Part 1 is super easy. They have like 10 question and everything in the description here in this page. You will learn everything. When you go to challenge part 2, when you complete part 1, they will send you by email, congratulations, you complete part 1. And part 2, this way he will show you what you will do in each challenge. So you need to do everything here to learn. Okay, so after complete each challenge, you need to do this code as I show you, TSO score 2, to show you the result for your challenge. Then you will move to the next one. By the end, thank you very much for watching the video, and I want you to subscribe to my channel, to comment if you need any help. I will help you with that. Leave me comment, subscribe, and thank you very much.